In this tutorial, we will show you how to make a vlog. Step 1. Planning your vlog. Identify your niche and explain the importance of choosing a specific topic like food vlogging and discuss how to plan your content. Step 2. Equipment and setup. Essential gear are camera, microphone, and lighting. Make sure your camera is stable, use a tripod if possible, and check your background and lighting before filming. Step 3. Filming your vlog. While filming, pay attention on framing and composition. And speak clearly, maintain eye contact, and be yourself. Step 4. Editing your vlog by using Filmora. Here we have imported all my video clip according to sequence. Now, we will remove unwanted parts from our video clips one by one. After trimming, we will add adjustment layer for doing color correction. After grading, we will add text here. We are searching here food-related text because our clip is related to food vlogging. Here are so many food-related text, so I'm selecting this one. Now, we will adjust it and make some changes according to our content. For an example, we are writing here pizza. After it, we will search vlog in the search bar. Here, we are adding this text and make some changes. For an example, we are writing here my food vlog and then adjusting it to right place. Now it's done. Then, we will search food in sticker section. We are adding this yummy sticker. Similarly, we will add text to all the clip one by one. So we are moving to next step. Here, we will add transition, so watch carefully. After adding transition, now we will add music. Now it's ready to export.